Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Priceless Brenda and I'm a YouTuber based in Italy. And for my old subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to view my videos. I really appreciate each and every one of you. So before diving into the video of today, I want to quickly beg some of you that have been watching my videos and you've not subscribed yet. Please try and hit the red subscribe button, turn on your post notification to always notify you whenever I post a new video, and leave a comment down in the comment section. Okay, it really go a long way for me. Thank you in advance. So yeah, my video of today will be very quick. Okay, so let's just dive right into the video. So guys, a friend of mine sent me a video. And I watched this video and I really got upset. Okay, I watched the video and I didn't appreciate it when people share such videos. Okay, so before saying anything, let me just talk about the content on the video, like the video I watched. Let me talk about the content inside the video. This video content was all about two matured adults enjoying themselves. Okay, when I mean, let me just speak pidgin English. Waiting there inside this video, yeah. Now two big people where they enjoy themselves. When they say person, you call person, then the person come. Like this thing where it happened for this video, it mostly happen to people where they in a distant relationship. For example, now me I dey Nigeria, then my boyfriend come there abroad, then go contact me say, oh baby, I miss you, I want to see you, I want to do this. Later, like when you start saying all of those things, later in the day you put your man in the mood and you start smooching yourself on that video call. Okay, that is what happened on, like, inside that video. So basically it seems I never knew who called who, and at the end of the day the guy was telling the woman, show me this, unknowing to the woman that this guy was doing a video of her, videoing her at the same time. Okay, when my friend sent me that video, yeah, she sent a voice record along with it. Like, she knew this woman very well, and she's married and all of that stuff. Let's forget her being married and everything. I don't care about that. Okay, now the one we will see now with the talk. Okay, it get a lot of people where like says different one, just that I know that's your own never come out. This man and this woman, una to accept to do that thing. You called her and she was obeying you, show me this. She was even enjoying herself at the same time. You are matured, she is matured. Though we didn't see the guy that was doing this video, only what we were seeing that he was masturbating and all of that stuff, and he was telling her, baby, do this, and she was obeying because she was feeling good at the same time. That's what we call maturity. But for you to do a video, like videoing her at the same time, that I don't take lightly at all. Okay, first of all, let's talk about sex. What is sex? For my own definition, yeah, sex is spiritual. When I mean sex is spiritual, that's why you see people don't do it in an open door, like outside. You can never see anybody doing it outside. Even when they say they are legally married, they do traditional marriage, they do white wedding, but you can never see them going outside and making love. Okay, even when you watch porno, you must go somewhere, go watch, and you even where therefore they do and now hidden place. They know they do it for your children. That's why it is secretive. And anything where they secretive na spiritual something. Yeah. So I won't bet some guys for the Europe. If girl do you something, or you won't pay her back, or you don't see say this girl she not like you again or whatever, why take a video of her? See, yeah, I know this is not me. I'm a good example. Somebody has done that to me. I'm not like, even my friends, they've gone through this thing, and I know the way that woman is feeling right now. My advice for all girls is, when a guy or your boyfriend asks you to do something like that, do not do it. Not be everybody mature. Sometimes you go feel say they talk mature, and they talk to you maturely, but at the end of the day, when you start to dey do all those things with them, you don't know say him go dey video you. You feel say, oh, now just may one or two things happen just now. My sister, him go leak your video. You go come surprise say, which time you take this video? There's somebody I know, this wasn't a video, she was just in her guy's place, that's in her boyfriend's house. You think she was taking a shower or rubbing body lotion at a time, and this guy was doing a video of her without her notice. This one is even a video call, this one is even a video chat, but her own wasn't even a video call. She was like, now I finished taking my bath, you are my man, I can go naked in front of you and rub my body lotion. But this guy was taking a video of her without her notice. When will guys stop all this? In this Europe, I've not seen a girl that's done that to anybody. Even if there is, it's not up to 10%. But guy, 100%, they do. They do it, and it is wrong, yeah. This thing is wrong. It is very, very wrong. There's one video I watched, yeah. This person live in Germany. His friend come in house, come visit him. His wife dey inside bedroom. That his friend go place camera for inside the bathroom so that he go dey view the woman body. So maybe if he ask the woman something or something happen, he go post that video, use and threaten them. That is wrong. But the funniest thing, these guys, they forget they can go in for that. They forget they can go in for that. Somebody like me, I can go any extent to deal with that person. So girls, if you know you want to do something like that, you are in a distant relationship, somebody like me, it is normal. And that's why I say it is only for mature people. Not by say they say person dey 35 years, 40 years, now it's mature. It gets some people who even dey 50 years, they behave the way even 10 years not go take behave. Yes, so I'm not joking here. They behave okay. This woman, we don't accept say she don't born. Let's forget say she don't born all of that stuff. She accepts to do this thing with you from her heart. Why post? Why even videoing why even doing a video? When I don't enjoy herself finish. He finished for there. Why doing a video of her? Why sharing it? For example, say okay, you want just a watch in case you dey miss her or anything. Why share it with somebody? If you were mature, you don't get right to even do a video of her. You know how you take, like, you don't even know the percentage of traumatization you've given to that woman. She will be traumatized, thinking every day. Even that it can lead to her early grave. If you people don't know, guys that do this thing, there are some good guys out there. There are some good guys out there. Okay, her being married, that is not my business. But my problem here is the two of you agreed on this thing. You called her and she accepted to, and you were even telling her, show me now, baby, show me. And she was even happy doing it. They don't care. They don't care. Your mama go the bath, they'll go put camera for there. At the end of the day, they go post them for everywhere. They will write something on that where you not go even expect. Then your mama go they traumatized. People are even, oh, I don't even know how I want to explain. Like these people that do this thing, like if you can't post her, you don't even blackmail her, she no for put. You can't post her, what till you won't gain? What till you won't gain? That's what I'm asking. What will be your gain if you should post it? And they even forget they can go in for it. If that woman press charge, now Europe here, they give them your picture, talk one or two things, you go suffer for prison. You go suffer for prison. The thing gets me upset when I even see person make video of that thing and was say, see woman, they insult the woman, forgetting say you too, you be woman. There are some people, their own not be even video chat. They were videoed in the bathroom without their notice. Some boyfriend video their girlfriends. Once any small thing happen, you go don't threaten the girl. Say if you try this, You go send out the video, and immediately you see that video, your heart go cut, because this thing happened to me too. Everybody they insult an old woman like you. You get who no like enjoyment. This sex is to be enjoyed. Is to be enjoyed. People suppose they enjoy them. I don't know where they carry pretend they go. Why will you pretend? A normal thing. Now what did God create? Say man and woman make una they enjoy. Yes. I don't know why people go just feel say in fact, not be say even gonna do, even those days now it was. You know they see the rate of pregnancy in the year 90s, all those things. You know they see the way they take the bomb. Some persons go just born 10 kids. Some persons go just born 12. Some persons go even born football team more than like 2 football teams. Some persons those days because they were enjoying it. Some people just carry the hawk for head like gala. See oh they do, see the way she they do, see the way she they do. If you uncle, it get who no like enjoyment. I mean you don't know say sex is sweet past sugar cane. I dey hate when people they pretend for this this word. They do like saying that them holy parts. For we even holy, even person where they go Jehovah Witness, even person where they go mountain of fire, instead they fire, they enjoy the thing. So my advice to the guys, please, that thing you people are doing, you people should stop. It is wrong. Imagine say that woman are your mama or na your sister. How you go feel? How you go feel? Your mama, you can't see it in nakedness, they go fian for Facebook and WhatsApp. How you go feel? And that woman, you don't know the amount of traumatization where they inside. Like she will be depressed. She will be so depressed. Like her mind go they beat her. She not go even like anything where they happen around her. She won't be thinking straight. You showing a woman's nakedness. Imagine that amount of. I don't even know why some boys they like that. Yeah. Okay, how much you can gain now for that thing what you do? How much you gain? What did they give you? You just want to embarrass her. You just want to do this. You forget that there is one thing they call karma. We know the end. You get one thing where they call karma, yeah. Even though you know do you, your children will repeat. Your children will repeat. You know, girl, you want to like say you want someone, you want jump and pass. It's impossible. If you know, you must still reap small inside. Your children will be reaping it, and they will say, that's why people they pray for church. Say, hey, my father say, cause where it happened to my when my papa gets, when my mama gets, may not come to me. Some children they break course, will not be their own. Now, what thing you do now? Cause will be your own before your children will come they reap am. Una never see that kind of thing, people. Drop your comment down in the comment section. Wetin you do bad way you do, children go they reap am. Children will not know one, no two, they go they reap am. Now wetin you do, wetin you use your hand do, wetin you two they enjoy. Even the video when I they watch am, you were even the one enjoying more than the woman. Now you the thing they sweet past the woman. She was feeling good too, but that doesn't. Why you even do the video? What is the use of the video? You they share am. Why may they see her waiting? Now waiting person never see before. Well, like my problem with these people be say they don't even know say if that woman press small child, he press and small, that boy they go first put you for prison. Small time they go carry you go where you for the come. It be like these people don't know say this place now Europe. They go as in they go stress you with the case and you go reduce, you go be like you go they hungry, like you go they hungry you to die. If that woman press charge. Like some people they don't know how to deal with person. Now old woman, I see some people they say now old woman, now this what's it concern you now? These two people agreed on these things. They don't they talk before that kind of thing happen. Yeah. Well, my advice to that woman is to pick up, like, make she no worry, make she just, like I said, I'm talking out of experience. Somebody have done that to me. Just that he didn't post it. Something happened and he asked me to come and I said no. and he sent me this video. I was like, what? How come? I didn't make any video like this. How come? I was so ashamed of myself. It happened to most of my friends, and these guys always post these things, and they don't know how much pain this girl is feeling. They feel it is right for them to do that. Imagine this person was your family member or your sister. Please, at the end of the day, it definitely, it go still touch you. It go still touch you. It be like these guys, most of these things that are happening now for this Europe, now for they happen. Most of these guys where they do this thing, and this Europe before they do one, they too happen like that for Africa. So you guys should stop. If you're a person, if you don't mature, you are a person that they talk about this kind of love issue, sex issue, hungry una to do a normal thing. Make una enjoy una self, because you guys are mature. Make una enjoy the thing. Enjoy and forget about it. If the person don't want you again, okay, Sherry can be a bye-bye. If you don't want me again, bye-bye too. You can't, it's not a do or die affair. You can't kill yourself. I don't see any reason why they post her. Think you say, okay, you don't win now, you see her now, you don't make it. Okay, you don't post her now, what you can gain? You forget say come a deal. Oh, well guys, I don't have much to say on this video. But I just plead with this woman, please calm down. Whatever you're facing through, I've been there. I don't know all this thing. Like, some people will even threaten you with it. Some people will threaten you with it. If you don't do, as in your mind, go they beat fast. But we with the chest stand. Mine didn't link because I didn't know how many people have seen it. But the day when I go see her, hey, things go spoil. Jaka. The person not go believe, like people they see my face calm like this here. You not go believe say now me they act that way. But this woman here, small thing ain't go just press. Small charge, just collecting picture. You get a number. You no go feel wrong, even though you don't even get a number, you no go feel wrong. You know a name, you no go feel wrong. How you want to start the running? They go catch you and you go jail. You go in for it. Yes, you go in for it. So I'm advising the woman to stop crying. Do not cry, yo. Just forget it. If people they laugh you, see now and they too sharp, they enjoy yourself, eh? If person call you, yes, now me any problem, just bounce. Let karma hammer that boy by itself. Okay. So guys, if you know you are part of these people that always think of let me treat this person this way, this girl say no great for me again, or this girl tell me this kind of thing, make I leak this video. When you take a video alone, your head you no get sense. When you take video alone, that means you no get sense. And for you to even leak the video, that means you are the biggest goat ever. I'm sorry I'm using harsh words, but I'm so angry. Okay, please, do not do it. It's wrong. Put the person in your own shoe. Even you will be guy, forget that you be guy, you don't care. It will pain you, because that's what we call privacy. And you expose everything. What they say na secret, you put them for everywhere. People they see them. What you not to do in a secret, you carry and go everywhere. Everybody they see them. Please. If you know you are part of the people that do these things, stop it. It is wrong. Do not do it to, say, people that they advise person every day. The day when you all go come, you will shock. And you women, when they curse the woman, you, like, is there anybody that is perfect in this life? A girl not like better thing. A girl not like this thing. I never see, except the person a pretender. Except the person a pretender. You get who we know they sweet. All those women they say, hey, all do man like this. You get all do man we know they do one. Yeah. So women when they insult women, it go enter on body, una go come, it go reach on body. e go reach una body. Like they say, a word is enough for the wise. Not even, or not be everybody wise. Person wey get small sense, make it dey learn for wetin people dey talk even though you no pick everything wey the people, you no take everything wey the person talk, pick one or two words out of the things, take get sense. Okay, like the advice I'm giving now, please, man, yeah, e no go show you a real character until something pain am. You go see the childishness in that man. You dey say women, men they call women mommy, and that woman they call you baby, the woman they call you mommy. Yes, because they are babies, and we be mommy, and then they are babies. Doing something now, you go see say with the way you go take react, you go say, oh, the childishness in that man will show. You will know say, okay, this man is really a child. Okay, there are some people where they even go into a relationship, if they talk to the man, una two don't gist for the first time, that kind of thing not do am, because he never vex. When he vex, he real childishness never show. You una only talk, don't do this, I don't like this, I don't like this. No, you not do. No try say you want do sex video call with him, because the day when you go try am, he real attitude go show. And when you show you, he go shocktalize you, you go cry blood. You go say, this man a mature man. You go they say, I never knew. Had I know no good. No, see, if you are guest, una no say una never do that thing now. Like me, I've done it. I thought the guy was mature and we're in love with each other and all of that stuff. But at the end of the day, he sent me the video. The thing shocktalized me. I have to cut him off. Okay, if you know, say some person don't they beg you now, even show me your boobs now, send me sexy picture. Do not send them, because the day when you go enter a head, you go post them. The thing go shock you. Cry, I will let you cry. Yeah. Who never get that experience may not pray to get her. That's why I feel for this woman, because I was once there. They go forget the past. It dey pain too much. That's why I dey vex for all these women where they say old woman like this and that and this. Forget that thing. You don't get who not like this. Naka. Everybody like, and even though you get the simplest face for this one, may reach that side today, that bed area, the other room side, you go see the way she dey do acrobatic dance. Women to go good for that level, even though you be Jehovah's Witness. The thing it is sweet. The truth, it dey pain some people, but I don't know why it dey vex some people. Truth, it dey pain some people. So guess one of they aspire to do that thing now. I beg, do not stop. And boys, guess what? You can't even do one with you now. When you say they agree to do one with you now, no video, not do one more, because you can go in for it. Is the truth. Except the girl no want to do anything about it, you can go in for it. I'm telling you the truth. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. It seems I blabbed too much today, but I'm sorry, the video is already very, very long. So if you know you enjoyed my video, just drop your comment down in the comment section. Okay, tell me what you think about this video. If the woman was the wrong one or the guy, okay, tell me what you think about the video, and give me a huge thumbs up. If you know you've not subscribed, like I've said earlier, subscribe now. Turn on your post notification bell. You see anytime I just post like this, now you go first see them. Nobody go drag on with you. For now, peace out. Bye bye. Mwah.